Can I get that one more time? Thanks, brother. I appreciate it. Beautiful. All right, from Illinois. What up, Chicago? If you're from Chicago, it's good with it. But yo, you like the new Vets? You know what? Let me take you to one of the OGs right here. One of the speed demons from Missouri. We all from the Midwest. What's good? One of the ZR1s. The quad exhaust. Don't forget about the speed demons. Beautiful ZR1. Right here. Solo shine detailing. You already know we at the night meet. We got another one. I can't say I know what this is. This might be out of my pay grade. Look at the motor exposed. Good guys. You know the OGs, they got it on lock. They've been racing for a minute. What is this? PA 1932 Ford. I don't know what kind of Ford. 4-speed. Maybe it's small block, big block. A little bit out of my pay grade. My old school American muscle cars. Or rat rods and trucks. I'm not really the best at. They're going crazy out here right now. Ford, 1933 Ford. Oof. Look at that price. Can I even move it so you can see the price? Call Dave at 724-674-0600. 26,000. Beautiful interior. I wish I could give you guys a little bit more info on the old Fords, but I can't. Another beautiful old school American car. Okay, I see you with the Acura. What's good with it?
You know what it is.
Right. Got the Caprice Classic right here. Sitting on what? I don't even know if I can read it. It's too thin. I can't even read it. It's too dark. Alright, got the dunk style on the Howard. What's up? It's a nice caddy. Okay, he got the convertible top cloth, all leather, everything's leather. What's up, yeah? Hey, yo, this is dope. Is it okay if I...
Hey, I got you.
This is dope, yo.
Appreciate you.
Oh, you got the Venom down there, too?
Everywhere.
Everywhere? That's crazy.
Thank you.
Nice Impala. Then they got them. Crazy. This is beautiful.
Thanks, man.
What's your name, brother?
Huh?
What's your name?
Great.
Daya. Nice to meet you.
Hey there, you sir.
Daya.
Okay.
Yep. Nice to meet you, brother.
You too, man.
Yo.
Filming this motherfucker?
What's good?
Filming it?
Yeah.
I gotta ask the owner how to break that.
Oh, my bad, yeah.
Go ahead, dog.
Where y'all from here? Y'all from Columbus? Oh, you from Columbus?
Cleveland.
Okay. Oh, Cleveland. All right.
I'm just messing
My
with you, man.
family,
Go ahead.
Ohio people. Come on, you know what I'm saying? Like,
All right.
beautiful red interior.
Get up out of here. Get up out of here. Watch your fingers and toes.
Okay. Beautiful car, yeah.
Thank you, man.
Beautiful
Appreciate
car.
it.
Can I get that one more time? Thanks, brother. I appreciate it.
It took me 2 years to build her, and all it took was one trophy and one modification, and that's all it wrote. 2023, I won 35 out of 30 shows. 2024, I won 55 trophies out of 50 shows.
Wow.
This year now, I'm at 39 trophies for 30 shows.
And was this in the South, like back in North Carolina, or
This
was
is
it here?
North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia. I travel around. I load her up myself. I unload her. I drove her. And like I said, the hood, the hood wrap's custom made. Alicia Keys inspired with the flame. She's on fire. Hood, I have the wheel lights. I have engine lights, interior, exterior. I have been published 6 times. I've been on TV 4 times. So this is the Mishimoto intercooler system.
You said Mishimoto?
Yes, Mishimoto.
How you? I love Mishimoto. Oh.
It gives me 2 turbos. I have a Mishimoto aluminum radiator. That was $500. That was $897. And then I got the SCT 4 tuner. Then I have the cold air intake, 63 high performance series cold air intake. Then I have the UPR reservoir here. Custom strut covers here.
With the Mustang
That's
logo.
right. That's right.
I just want to hang out with you forever. Sorry, y'all.
Bye,
Brother,
No,
you living your life?
no, this is not mine. It's not mine.
It's yours now. You sitting on it, yeah?
Sitting
Oh,
on this motherfucker
talk to
till you
me
get
now.
over
It's
here.
yours now. You sitting on it, yeah? Nah, it's nice
It's
stuff.
fun, though.
It's nice. What's your name, brother?
My name's Trent.
So how you doing? What's good? How you doing? How you doing? Hey, hey. nice with the carbon fiber, like sort of marble